hiện để tàu đã chỉ để có một cái chế lũ có thể tàu Eagle Scout nè.
For the total, got the morning go ilu merit badge. Each merit badge it's just new. It just tells you new nakayun the
Cái holiday cái
all
nó
day cái no thế
cái
ni
exercise à.
yeah the
Có
gay
bao
exercise.
chế
Yep.
cái hay cho như ý hải ninh vậy à.
Yep.
Citizen vậy à.
Yep. Thế okay the year the season. Thế chỉ thanh the new bác cái ý chỉ thanh the is like it helps you how to. I said like personal management. It's really good for you. And first aid also helps you a lot too. And those are actually like one of the best one. So yeah.
Cái có lúc Eagle project nó này có what đó nào.
For Go Eagle project, nhớ hồ North Minneapolis. Go Eagle project bé nhớ hồ second floor nhớ lu church hồ North Methodist nó bé họ bé ở bé bé chế furniture thế bé wall painting. Còn bé ở đâu lu music school nè. Còn music school là is free for student. Here free to students like a music. Chỉ only lu music, cho lu music school you thấy nhẹ you show nè, you chỉ show kia đỡ xí nè, chị anh được cô chị cô bỏ hết đi, giờ là cái đỡ nè, xí nè chị, cô có project cô sắp là còn là tao thách cho nó á, có thách cho nó like it's like they own it, and it helps more, yeah, it's like a place where they're part of North Minneapolis, so yeah.
Chị có lúc kỹ nữa có cho đá nữa có lúc kỹ nữa giờ kỹ đã chỉ nó có chuyện khác
Khỏi kỹ nó it's just it tells the logo of what's our troop and it tells like what we represent. Thế picture you need Hmong it tells that we're Hmong troop. So yeah.
Chị nung nào cái tua này có in lăng tua sẽ là cái này cái chỉ tua thế là giờ có đi lâu tới cứ tua thế là giờ có in lăng sẽ.
Bé sẽ tốt ta từ nhà của chị của tí lâu của cha của tí của cha mùa là tốt sẽ đam mà bé tốt thành thọ.
Giờ lên tại trên nó có rong sen này à, có trâu này à. Đây hả cha?
Adam.
Đấy, làm gì mua?
Chào mình. Đỗ Trinh.
Dạ, tôi xuống.
Jeremy.
Nathan.
Này, King Đầu.
Đây hả cha nào?
Mua gì?
Đây.
Mình bé Richard X.
Hả?
Richard X.
JJ.
Xin đó.
Hai dụng anh.
Ok.
Bây giờ đứa gì?
Rồi là, rong sen à?
Bây giờ đấy. Hay đó. Đúng rồi đấy.
Đấy. Đấy.
Rồi, trên lên.
Chị tao Eagle Scout là sao?
Giữa ý có scout.
Là. Tao chụp đi.
Cho áp hả gì?
Rong sen này. Cái này.
Cũng bây giờ phong sư bảo.
Con số bạn. Đấy.
Cống.
Đúng là.
Cũng bây giờ lông nha.
Rong sen.
What's your name? Oh, Adrian.
Cái này.
Isaac.
Đến bây giờ trên đây à?
Isaac.
Ok. Chị ở tụi nó nhận đi cho tú lại à?
Yep, they're my boys.
Ok. Chị cứ tôi hàng đây là không nó lại.
They just started really
Just started.
When you're done eating,
Okay. Cái bây giờ.
Elijah.
Andy đây.
Roger Lee.
Saints.
Bây giờ.
Andy Tall.
Ok.
Remember who Johnston Sean?
Remember Michael Top.
Remember you think?
Remember Hayden Cha.
Okay.
Remember one more.
So next.
Remember who Cat.
Okay.
This table that you see up here, all the badges and everything.
Just say English. Jackie.
That's what we're gonna be doing.
Who y'all about?
Giving the badges that some of the scouts
John.
have earned.
Andrew.
Danny.
And it's always amazing to me that the food, there's plenty of food. I was a little nervous about it at first, but turned out just fine. And thank you to the ladies that helped to get it out. Right, now, introduce myself. My name is Dave Moore. I'm the Scoutmaster of Troop 100. I've been at
member since 1981. I've raised a lot of my kids.
Help raise a lot.
Now, just for a minute, look at this annual report. And if you look on the first page where there's numbers, troop membership. There's a picture of Andy and Tujoy hiking in Utah. But troop membership, this is a good report. I mean, it shows that we started the year with 61 scouts, and now we're at 80. So we've got 19 more. And the reason for that is very few people dropped out. So we added 19 kids and nobody quit, basically. And that's reflected in here. Okay, so that's a real good part of the report. And then over on the next page, it shows age distribution, rank distribution, and that shows that we have a very young crew. You can see 12 years old, 14 kids, 11 years old, 14 kids, 10 years old, six kids. So it's a very young troop. If you look at rank distribution, you can see 22 boys just joined and have not yet earned the first rank. That's a lot of boys. And then the tenure distribution, less than 1 year, 29 scouts have been in the troop less than 1 year. Okay, so it's a very young troop, which is good. I mean, we've got a good future. Okay, on the next page, with the order of the arrow boys with their sashes, I don't know what that shows. Advancement report. One boy, Adam Vang, earned 22 merit badges last year. You only need 21 for Eagle. He got 22. Okay, then troop meeting attendance, you can see that the average was 42 boys, and that's quite a bit above the year before. And you can see the picture of Adam bugling. Last year, about this time, I gave Adam a bugle, and I said, learn the bugle calls. And by the time camp began, he was a bugler. He could do it. So that was pretty amazing. And it's not easy. You have to learn a lot of bugle calls in order to be the camp bugler. And then over on the next page, camping and overnights, total boy nights, 1,624. Boy nights, what's a boy night? And there's a picture of our van, our new van. We needed a van. We had to get one, and we put out a thing on Facebook and raised $25,000, enough to buy the van and have a little bit extra to get it in top shape. So that was an amazing thing, and it just shows how many good friends Troop 100 has. And then over on the next page, it shows activities. I don't know what to say about that. And then service projects. You can see the picture we had, what was it, 54 of us. 54 of us went over to do caroling at the old folks' residence at Lake Johanna. And we've been doing that for years, like what, 20 years? More than that, probably. But, and Charlie McGuire, you can see his little banjo or whatever it was there. I'm going to ask JJ and Kong Chang to come up here.
Require your badge for you go. The rest are unrequired. What's your name? Today is shown in the nation. The new wilderness survival.
The new. Hey,
Skylar Chain, Wilderness Survival.
Sensei Top.
Jay Vane, Wilderness Survival. Rowdy Vane, Wilderness Survival. Andy Vane, Sin the Nation.
Jackie Top.
New Year Sean.
Andy Vane, Forestry.
Citizenship in the world,
Kyle,
nature, and forestry.
Jason Vane.
Tommy Yang, Digital Technology. Stay up here, guys.
Jonathan Shaw,
Jason.
game design.
Michael Powell, Forestry.
Today.
Jonathan, in the world. Koshia Lee,
Jonathan.
Wilderness Survival.
Jonathan.
Coaching Bird. Tommy Powell.
Same Top.
Jonathan.
Boy Yang Bang. Good game. A Mall, Wilderness Survival. Andrew Shaw.
Jeffrey Vane.
Yang Tao, you got wilderness survival.
Bob Powell, in the world.
Jeffrey. Moore.
Jason Vane, Forestry.
John Shaw, you got wilderness survival and citizenship in the world.
How did Jesse do this?
Ken Vane.
A Call, Wilderness Survival.
Bob Tao, forestry.
Kyle Vane, Wilderness Survival. King Dowell, Forestry. Typhoon, Wilderness Survival.
Kevin Vane, digital technology, citizenship in the nation, swimming, and forestry.
William Shaw, Wilderness Survival. Andrew, Forestry. Andrew Shaw. Charles Vane.
Billy Vane, forestry, citizenship in the nation.
A Mall, Wilderness Survival.
Danny.
Alex, Chop, you here?
This is your very best, guys.
This award goes to the patrol that has come to the meetings the most. And so I would like to give this award to, and please, the patrol, can you come up here, the whole patrol? I would like to give this to Screaming Eagles. Whole patrol, come up, let's go.
Congratulations, 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 congratulations.
Jerry.
Right here is for a guy in our troop, only one guy who comes to every meeting with the full uniform on.
And I myself have won this about 6-7 times, so it's my turn to give it off away. And the winner of this is Andy Tell, SBL.
Again?